Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A couple of days ago, I made this using Object to Path, and if you didn't watch that, it's pretty cool. But I started thinking, what would it look like with Object to Path if you had a symmetrical, even item? So all I did was take an ellipse and hit P, and then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to move it in, holding down the Shift key, and then I'm just going to Control D a bunch. Now, what's cool about this, these are 15 objects. If you group it, it won't work. But if you go to combine, and yours might not be up there, but you can always go to object and combine or Control L. So now it's one curve with many rings. So now let's take an ellipse, pretty small. That's almost too big. Let's make it blue, take away the outline. Let's bring it in here and see what it looks like. It's a little bit big, and I'm going to hold down the Shift key, make it a little smaller. Now I've got it selected. I'm going to open up the Docker windows, Dockers, and no, excuse me. I'm going to go to Object and Fit Object to Path. I've got my object selected. Now I'm going to Shift select my path, and I'm going to go 500 duplicates, and look at that, how quick it did that. Now, what I do like about Object to Path, you can move your path out of the way. And this is even different than this one because I did 500 and this was a smaller circle. Let's keep that, and let's take this back, and let's take I can borrow one of these circles. Let me just make a new one. I'm going to zoom in so I can about see how big it is. And I'm going to make it blue, and I'm going to take away the outline. And then this time, I don't know how many times you can make it. Let's go 600 times. But look at that. And it even looks like it's ripples and kind of spinning. Let's take away the path. Let's make them yellow. Let's put a black background on it. And just by making a few more objects, and let's go order back a page. And look at the difference in the two. This has a shorter path, so they're equal, and this one doesn't. But look at the kind of a pattern it produced. So you could, back up and change it and do whatever you wanted to it. Object to Path, pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.